Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. I hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's Monday, April the 21st. We have made it to day number 11 in this Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. If you guys have not been following these videos, go back to day number 1 of this challenge so you can kind of get up to speed, see the progress, and see, how we're actually doing this. Okay. So if you didn't know, we are doing an offer. We're grabbing an offer from Clickbank, and we're sending it to the Miley Gen Secret system. We're going to do that for one single year, 365, and we're going to see how much income that we can earn from this offer on Clickbank. Okay. So I want you to guys to follow along, follow this journey with me. So if this is something that you want to get into, you can go ahead and duplicate what I'm doing. Okay. That way you can see how it will look for you if you were to go out and do it. All right. So we're on day number 12. I'm going to show you guys, pretty much going to go along with this video. I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the My Legion secret system, and then show you, our results on how we did from yesterday's email that we sent out last night. All right. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. Now, if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is a email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every single day when you come into your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads coming into your back office every single day. Okay, now the difference between 100 and 200 is depends on how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that you can stack up your accounts so you can get as many as you want. Okay, I would recommend if you're just starting out, 2 to 3 or maybe even 5 if you can afford to have that many accounts. Okay, but if not, I would stick with maybe 2 to 3 and kind of just stick with those accounts till you start earning income. And then once you start earning income, you can add more accounts to your profile. Okay. So this is your back office. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to look exactly like this. Okay. So you're going to have your tabs coming across here. It has my leads, which shows you the leads that you have coming in right now with this account. I have 200 leads coming in every day. I have multiple accounts. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years. I totally love the service. Um, excuse me. I'm promoting tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you now it does work. It does convert. Okay, but this is something that people got to get warmed up to see. This is not some you send out one email and you make thousands of dollars. Okay, you have to work at this thing every single day. Okay, in order to people start warming up to your leads, and this is why I wanted to create this challenge, because I wanted to show you how long does it take for these emails to get warmed up to your list, where you can start um, bridging those sales to a little bit closer to where you're making sales every single day. Okay. Now, starting out, I'm not sure how long it would take you to get a sale. It could take you, the first day, the next day, may take a week, may take a few weeks, a couple weeks, a month, maybe even, it just depends. All right. So it depends on, like I said, on how many accounts that you have. Every account is created differently. Okay. And you could hit the ground running faster than someone else is. Okay. So it just all depends. All right. But the hardest part is getting started. All right. So I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. If you want to get started and start sending out emails every day and potentially earning, some type of income with it. All right. Now, I do want to throw out a disclaimer. I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything because I don't know if you're going to go out, grab the accounts, send out emails every day like I do, like other people, and stick with it until you start seeing results. Okay. So I'm not sure. So, but what I can tell you is that if you do sign up and you follow what I'm doing, okay, and you do exactly what I'm doing, then you're going to see results and you're going to start seeing progress. All right. So this is the leads where you have all the leads coming in, master email swipes. These are additional emails that you can purchase if you want, but I would recommend for this challenge, we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. Mailing system, statistics, affiliates, none of this stuff you're really going to have to mess around with. Okay. Now, this is where you're going to be hanging out at. Okay. This is the mailing system. This is where you're going to go send out your emails. Okay. So, what you would do is you would take your emails that are right here and you're going to load them up. Now yours ain't gonna say 200,000 right off the bat. Like I said, I've been with them for some time now, so my account is probably going to be, I got a lot more subscribers than you do if you're just starting. Okay, so but eventually you will get there. Right now, I'm maxed out at 200,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to send out the latest 200,000 new subscribers that are on the list. So I've already sent out my email today, guys. Okay. But what we will do is grab the free email swipes from the vendor as we're starting out. So what we would do is come over here to Clickbank. You want to go over to accounts. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a network marketing platform where you can go and grab different offers and you can promote those different offers to this list. Okay. Now, these different offers, they have a lot of different offers with ClickBank. You got health and fitness, e-business, you got um, spirituality, self-help, home and garden, cooking. You have lots of different, stuff that you can promote. But what this traffic responds to the most is going to be this e-business, e-marketing. Okay, these people are looking for ways to earn income. Okay, and it's our job to go find an offer that's related to make money online. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it. Okay, so you want to come here to the affiliate page. Go ahead and click that, and then we're going to grab these free email swipes. We're going to be, which would be right here. So you want to grab those, and then since we are on day number 12, okay, we're going to go here to day number 12's email. So we're going to click on that, and then we're just going to grab this subject line, Control C, come back over here to the My Lead Gen Secret System, Control V. Boom, super easy to do. Okay, and then you want to come down here and you want to click on perfect timing because that'll know when the email goes out. They're going to send it right when people are opening up their emails. So you want to go back over here to the system, to the offer here, and then you want to grab the body. Okay, you want to take this body, just want to copy it, all of it. Okay, and the link that we're going to use is going to be right beneath it, which is going to be that where it says hop link right here. We're going to grab that link and put it in this email. Okay. So you want to come here and you want to take this, you want to grab it and Control V. Okay, take out the where it says signature. You're going to want to put in your name or management, whichever one. Okay, and then you want to go to where it says hi name right there, and we're going to put in where it says first name right here. These are some embedded codes. So when you put these in the email, it turns into the person's name. So right here, whenever we see that email, it's going to say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, Josh, whatever. And it's going to address our prospect by their first name. So that's much more personal to our prospect. Okay. So right here where it says click here, we want to turn those into clickable links. All right. So anywhere where it says click here or apply here, we're going to take those and we're going to turn those into clickable links. And how you do that, you just grab it and you come over here to this link tab and you click on link. Okay. And what we're going to do is grab this affiliate link, which is right here. Okay. And we're going to grab it and we're going to come back here to the system and we're going to Control V, paste it in there. Now, right here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, you're going to want to put in your name, okay? Your username, whatever you come up with. So, um, you know, whatever you come up with, Jay makes it happen, whatever you decide to do from your ClickBank account, okay? It's going to ask you to create a username. You're going to put that right here where it says your affiliate link. Okay. So click on OK. And what that does, it turns that into a clickable link. Look at that, guys. So when this email goes out, our prospect is looking at it. And then once they see the click here's, they can go ahead and click there to go ahead and get signed up. All right. And start making money. All right. So just click on that. It's very important that you put that affiliate ID in there because if not, the email is going to go out and nobody's going to know where to click at and you're not going to make anything. Okay. So it's very important that you do that. And then when you come down here, before you send it, there's going to be a preview tab. So you just click on preview and you just click on these links to make sure they go to your page. Okay. And then that way you get the credit for it. Another quick thing too, where it says live chat assistants are in huge demand worldwide right now. Instead of it saying worldwide, let's say in your area. Okay. In your area. Okay. And then what I like to do is I like to, you can work from line, from your country, from your home. Okay. So you just want to proofread it too as well, just to make sure everything looks good. And you can either use 16 or 18, whichever one you feel that fits best for you. Okay, so look, that email looks really good. Okay, we're addressing our prospect by their first name. We have a clickable link here. Okay, so they can click on there to get started. They're going to, they're going to let our prospect know what they're going to be doing. Okay, let them know how much money that they can earning potential. Okay, everything looks good. Skills and background, everything looks great. However many hours a week that you need to put into this to see results, and letting them know that they can work from home. Okay. And then down here on this last line, there's a clickable link that our prospect can go to and just click on that. Okay. So this looks really good. All right. So what we would do is we would come down here and click on send. Boom. And it's off. So that's how easy it is, guys. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method. Okay. If you wanted to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. So it's very inexpensive for you to start gaining traffic, and Clickbank is free to use. Okay, so there's no excuses on you earning extra income, because it's right here in front of you guys. Now, if you're someone out there who's looking for extra income, maybe to help with groceries, maybe to pay some bills, a light bill, electric bill, gas bill, you got rent, you got mortgage, maybe even your car payment, right? Or something like that, lease payment, whatever. This is the type of income that's going to give you that extra income to pay those bills and help pay it. Now, you can do this part time and make a little bit of money, or you can do this full time, okay, and you can earn anywhere from $1,500 all the way up to 5 grand. Okay, it's totally up to you on how far you want to take this thing. Okay, so I just wanted to come in here real quick. I don't want to take too much of your time. I just wanted to show you how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. Let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank to see how we did from yesterday's email. So I'm gonna go here to this is the my Clickbank account. I created this new Clickbank account last month just for you guys, just to show you this method that we're doing. So I wanted to start fresh. I do have multiple Clickbank accounts, okay, that I run different offers in. So this account that I'm just pretty much using. I do have a couple other things I'm doing, but I'm using this account pretty much for just one particular offer that we're going to work with, okay? Which is this live chat jobs, all right? So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Today is the 21st. Let's see if we got some traffic, okay? Yep, today we got some traffic. So today we got 920 hops today. Okay, 665 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our page that were, that clicked on our page and looked it over. Unfortunately, we didn't get no one to the checkout page today. Okay, which is not a big deal. All right, and we didn't get any initial sales today. Okay, so no biggie. We're going to still keep grinding. We're going to still keep sending out emails every single day until we start seeing those results. Um, so don't get down about it. Like I said, sometimes it takes a little bit of time for this traffic to get warmed up to this email, to this offer. And then, like I said, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stacking those $20 payments on top of each other. We did get a sale the other day, so that commission should be rolling in either tomorrow or the next day. Yeah, I forgot. So but just remember that the whole goal here is to get initial sales every day, okay? And that's what we're going to be working on every day or every other day. Eventually, the monthly reoccurring charge is going to be coming in every single month, so we'll see that residual income coming in. But guys, stick with me so you'll be able to see the results and see this thing to the end. Right now, we're on day number 12. We're actually pacing pretty good. Okay. For day number 12, we've already had, I think maybe 3 or 4 sales already within this time period, which is pretty good. Okay. So we're going to keep this thing going. Okay. And, I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I'm going to see you guys at the same place at the same time. All right, guys. Peace.